Tired of guessing what your future home looks like? What if you could explore it step by step, inside and out? Start with the big picture. See what's around your dream home, from schools to coffee shops, all at a glance. Step outside and take it all in. Stroll the street and see how your home fits into the neighborhood. Zoom into the details. Inspect floor plans in interactive 3D and discover the perfect space for your lifestyle. Step inside, walk through your apartment, change the vibe, and make it yours, all before it's built. True D-View, true dimension beyond the screen.